Good morning. We slept really well in the old lower car park for the castle, which is the old sea entrance for Harlech Castle. We got here and we already had some neighbours. I think that one's from Germany. I don't know where the other one's from. You can see the old sea entrance is here. And that would be stairs all the way up to Harlech Castle, which is at the top. We just tucked away in this corner here and had a really quiet night's sleep across the tracks. There we go, and now you should be able to see Harlech Castle in all its glory. I did get a picture from here last night. That was with the moon right behind, and it looked fantastic. I didn't really do it justice, I just did it handheld quick. Up at the top, we came in past the castle, we came in on the top road this time. And the drive down is as steep as any road in Europe, and it's hairpins as well. So it was quite tight, but we got down no problem. By the road now. There you go. It's quite busy, the road this morning. It is the main road through this one. The top road was a lot quieter, and that comes in all the way back up there, which is better. But just here, yeah, you've got public loos, and these were open. I've just walked Maiximus round. The cleaning side, Shell says the ladies are lovely, but you can see us just there under the old castle. The kids were out playing, but yeah, from the UK as well. And this one, ooh, a little bit of a rash at the front there, but definitely Germany. Nice graphics. And there we are. Wolfie. Come on, Widdly. Loads of little birdies.
So just sit with me, talking through the night into the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking through the night into the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think
so they can't
we were meant to be.
Oh well, we're fine then, aren't we? It's got a dog on anyway by the look of it, so this is the beach I was talking about. It's not Harlech, it's
Llandanwg.
Anyway.
No, not the name.
Wow.
Did you show me beach shoulder?
It's just as pretty as I remember. It's been a while since we've been to this one, hasn't it?
It has.
It's very sandy there, but there's lots of boulders and rocks over this way.
Come on.
Which makes it great for exploring. And then of course you've got the panoramic views all the way around, back over to the hills. So somehow I've been convinced into putting these daft shorts on again and going in here.
We're twins.
We're twins, aren't we?
Yes.
And you want to go in the sea? And you want me to come in the sea?
No.
Okay, I'll stay here.
Come on.
No, I'm staying here now.
Come on. Are you going in too, Nelly? You going in too, Nelly? Oh, she's joining in the fun. Oh, you're lovely. Oh yeah, certainly. Not for me, but I like the idea of it. About how cold it is, it's absolutely freezing.
I'm so glad the sun's out.
Is it fresh?
It's definitely fresh. I couldn't have done it in someone now.
Oh, look at him, he's just loving it. Loving life. How do you feel? Do you feel good?
I feel good, yeah.
Yeah.
I do feel good. I'm worried because obviously my fingers are shrinking in the cold. I'm worried about losing my ring.
I'll keep hold of your ring. You won't lose your ring, baby. I'm just so happy that he's happy. The sea, there's nothing better than the sea. Honestly, I love it. Really is good for you. And you'll feel the pressure of the waves.
You wouldn't love this.
What?
You wouldn't love this.
No, like Turkey, where it's red hot, the water, it's just lovely.
I'm glad I've done it.
Yeah, you never regret a swim.
Hopefully not. That's what they say, isn't it? I am glad I've gone in. Glad I'm out now, though. I'm going to go back in one more time with Bryn. Are you and Robot staying there a minute? On your bread and white cheese. Don't close the door, it's fine. It's open. We're only going here. Swim's done. Widow Twanky's wash shop set up. It's a nice drying day, I'm telling you. I want my own ice cream as well.
Here you are.
Super. Thank you. Oh,
Are you staying here?
have a good day. Well, that's probably the most glorious October day we've had, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely the most glorious October day I've ever experienced,
Yeah.
for sure.
It was like summer, really, on that beach.
It's glorious.
Apart from the water temperature, I would imagine the water temperature's at least 2 or 3 degrees
Well, I
warmer.
wasn't daft enough to get in there, but you felt ice cold, and you felt ice cold when you felt
Yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong, I didn't regret going in once I've been in, but getting in,
And you loved it, didn't you?
Maximus spent an hour in there.
You can tell the people what you've just been doing.
I've been beach too far.
You did, you went a long way, didn't you?
Yeah, you did swim out too far.
Crashing into the waves. And then
did
the ice
crash.
cream was really nice as well.
Yes.
So we're going to move on now, and we're going up to, we're going to go across the bridge that was closed last time to Porthmadog side, and just pick up some supplies, and then we'll decide on where we're going from there. Right, see you in a bit. aren't we, and having tea in Portmeirion car park because it's pretty.
It is, it's very pretty. And we will visit it one day.
Yeah, definitely. I've been a few times as a kid, right? But you've never been, have you?
Never been.
So it's on our list for our day out at one point in time. Really.
That never ending list.
Look at this. This is the road we came down yesterday, isn't it?
It's a glorious find, isn't it?
It's stunning. How many times have I said stunning this week?
Yeah.
It's absolutely beautiful. It really is.
Spectacular.
Spectacular.
Epic.
Epic. Amazing.
It's all of those.
Awesome. Awe-inspiring. Magic. I was thinking about getting the camera out myself, looking down here, because that is just lovely. Yeah, the colours are really starting to shine through now a bit. I think we're probably, I was saying to Shell, we're probably a week, 10 days too early, aren't we? I think if we were, if we were a week later than we are, I think we'd be filled with golden browns and reds and oranges and burnt oranges. We're just starting to get some, you can see now, and some are turning. There's still a lot of green about, but we've had so much rain and then the sun again today. The trees don't know what to do they?
No, it's very disconcerting, isn't it?
Yeah, discombobulating. Look at all the birdies tweeting and floating around. Now over on the other side of the river, we saw loads of walks all the way down, didn't we? And as you get further down there, there's like a turn off and it's over this bridge, and that really isn't it, but there's nowhere for us to pull up, is there, in the sides of our van.
It's amazing, absolutely amazing.
So I think one day, this will be one on our list, to come and have a wander down this river and just taking its
beautiful.
Yeah.
Take it all in.
I just can't quite see a shot without the light. I mean, it's a lovely picture, but it's not a. No.
That will get the camera out, well, because of the light.
There he is, sat over there. So, let's see where we're at. The whole of Snowdonia is no overnight camping. It says everywhere you look. Anyway, I heard the door go. I can't see little feet, so there's another access point there. Does that just go to a different place? Well, yeah, not so little feet. Said to Maiximus, do you want to come and have a look? He said, okay. Then we said, you can't get in. He said, I'll stay in the van. He's done his fair share of swimming today, though. You can just make out the path over there now. And then the railway. I think that's the Snowdonia railway. Steam train goes up that way. There is a path along this side as well, but I don't know how far it goes, but there seem to be many walkers walking this stretch down here. Thanks very much for watching. If you've enjoyed, please do give us a thumbs up, give us a like. If you're not already, please subscribe. And if you're considering getting a lithium-ion battery, we recommend Roma, and all of our journeys and travels so far in the van are powered by Roma. So yeah, please check out the link in the description below. We'll see you next time. Thanks very much for watching. Take care. Bye now.